Good morning. Welcome to Mile High Custom Food Trucks. We're going to go over and detail a Cherry Creek Food school bus that we built out for the Cherry Creek Food system. It's all custom made, and we're going to start with the generator here. This is a 12,000 watt Cummins generator, diesel. It is connected to the diesel line tank of the truck itself. So then that way the generator pretty much pulls all its fuel from the actual tank of the truck. So we're going to prime the generator now, and then we're going to fire it up. Alright, so now up top, the generator is exhausted out, all custom made. We have a 12-foot hood system inside, 2 exhaust fans that are pulling all of the smoke and things of that nature out of the actual truck itself. We're going to walk around the back of the truck, and I'm going to show you the shore power. This is the shore power. So if you're utilizing the generator, that's one thing, but if they say they've got 110 power, then you're going to be able to hook up an adapter and plug in the regular 110 power that'll power everything electrically inside. The cooking equipment is all propane, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at that as well. Over here, we have the propane tank. They'll be able to basically turn this on and get full access to the propane equipment inside. All right, now we're going to go inside and take a look at the kitchen. Before we go inside, we're also going to talk about the water in. So this is the water inlet where you take a fresh water hose, connect to this, and this is going to fill in the fresh water tanks that are inside the unit. Up under the truck right here, we have the gray water tank. You'll simply be able to take the cap off, pull the plunger, and then all the water will flow onto the ground or into a floor drain for the gray water. We have 2 6-foot by 3-foot service windows, so it brings in a lot of beautiful natural light. We've got LED lights inside and out. So now we're going to go inside and take a look at the kitchen. Alright, welcome back to Mile High Custom Food Trucks. We're inside the Cherry Creek school bus here. So we're going to go over the plumbing, electric, gas, and all that fun stuff here. So with this particular bus, it has a hand sink, prep sink, triple sink, mop sink. So they should be able to clean, prep everything inside this unit. It's got a huge 20-gallon water heater that's facilitating all the hot water that the customers need inside. Again, it's got a 6-foot by 3-foot window, self-closing screens, which allow you to pass your product out, come back and drop the screen, and it'll automatically fall down, and that kind of prevents the bugs and things of that nature in there. We've got 2 6-foot by 18 each deep service tables, so you can be able to do your final touches before you pass your product out. LED lights inside, very bright. AC unit, everything is in here. We're going to start out with the refrigeration that we have here. Brand new refrigerators, all the equipment's brand new with brand new fire suppression, all stainless steel inside with the beautiful diamond plate floor. We've got 2 50-pound fryers here. We've got a 36-inch griddle with the char rocks here. We've got a 12-inch 2-burner here, 48-inch chef-based refrigerator. So this is where you'll keep all your meats and things of that nature, and the chef will just basically be able to stay in their area to keep cooking. We've got a propane 2-pan steam table here. This will be where all the product of your side items and things of that nature that you'll be able to have here, mac and cheese, green beans, all that good stuff there. This is a 48-inch sandwich prep, has the 16 pans in the top, 12 of those that are there. Also has the double doors right here with more refrigeration. Back here in the corner, we have a stand-up freezer, or actually refrigerator here. Freezers up there. Brand new fire suppression system here. This right here is housing the generator, so they can be able to put additional storage here. They can set things on top of this because it's all framed out in square tube and then beautifully covered in stainless steel. We have the electrical box here. It's all going to be labeled out. Each one of the outlets is on an individual breaker, and essentially you'll be able to cut each one of the breakers on, cut the lights on inside and out, and you're ready to operate off of the generator. Or brick and mortar power as well. This is your transfer box. This transfers power from the brick and mortar to the bus, or it transfers power from the generator to the bus. You'll simply come here, switch it there. Now we're running off of brick and mortar power. You come here, grab it from the furthest breaker, push it back to the left, and now we're running off of generator power. We also have a remote control here that allows us to start and stop the generator. So it's the same principle. When the generator's cold, you hold it down till the light comes on, and then you hold it up top until it completely starts, and then your lights come on. All right, so thank you so much. We wanted to kind of show you the new custom bus that we built out for Cherry Creek School System inside and out. Looks very amazing here. Please visit us at any time at milehighcustomfoodtrucks.com. Thank you very much.